Little Miss Buttons. She had babies this morning, huh? You getting a drink now? Yeah, little Buttons. Let me see, here's her nest. Well, I'm not going to hurt your nest, okay? Just going to look. She built a nest in here. And her babies are in there. I don't know what you can see. Way in there. See if she pulled all that fur and made a nest. And I'm not going to disturb them. I had given her a box. There's a daddy down there. See daddy over there? Yes, he's now a proven buck. And the boxes. There's Miss Penelope. There's a box. And I thought that Buttons was going to use it, but she didn't. And then there's another box over here that Penelope's been checking out. And I don't know if she's pregnant or not. She's been having some rolling going on in her belly that may be an indicator of babies. I'm sure I'll find out in a few days if that's the case, since they were all in the same area for a week together. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, that Miss Buttons here has had babies. You see why we call her Buttons? Looks like she has buttons down her spine. Oh yes, she's a pretty girl. She's a pretty mama, huh? Yeah. She's a pretty mama, huh? I'm not going to bother them. No, I won't bother them. I promise. Those are your babies, huh? Yeah, she started pulling straw yesterday, moving straw around, building a nest. And then when I came out this morning, there was fur all in the nest and all out in front of it. And then I found a placenta that had not been reabsorbed when she had not eaten it. And that was probably about 2 feet away from the nest. So anyway, there's nothing going on in there for at least a couple of weeks. So, but I thought I'd share it with you. Oh, good night, everyone. Oh, yes. Yes, you have a good night. I'll see you in the morning.